Hey guys, welcome in. September 6th on tap here. Checking you out. What's going on for you guys? We are looking at Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. If you're new to the channel, hi, welcome in. Please subscribe. I'm so excited. I have so many amazing folks I talk to week in and week out. So love to have you. There's a little bell here. I'm supposed to say that. My editor's like, why don't you talk about the little bell? The little bell, you hit the little bell, and then you get notifications when the new videos show up. So a lot of you know this. Not going to go over old ground, right? So this is air sign, general read, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus for September 6th. Gemini Libra Aquarius, what's going on for you in your connection, new connection, someone brand new in your life, someone that's existing in your life. No man is an island, right? So when we talk about, we're going to start doing more singles focus when it comes to the weeklies for each zodiac. But in truth, no man's an island, right? Could be somebody new coming into your life, could be someone from a past life, could be someone coming from your past. You have a web of relationships that already exist. So it's not like you're ever truly alone, ever. Never. Never, never, never. Feels like that sometimes, though. Ace of Wands, talk about the one. Woo! Inspiration. There you are. Aquarian energy. Nice. Wow. Wow. Interesting. Interesting. A fresh start. Fresh start. Loving. The universe is working on this, bringing you together. Oopsie. Okay, that's too much. So overarching energy, sometimes the cards are a little too big for my hands. Okay. Page of Pentacles. Knowing your own worth and value. I got some pages here. I've got Knight. So there's movement here. We know that Mars has gone direct, right? So got some very masculine energy here. This Page of Pentacles is feminine, really kind of small. And the Empress is big, right? The Empress is amazing. It feels like there's some real masculine energy here, though. Look at this. King of Swords, Ace of Swords, Ace of Wands. Very masculine there. So it's like, I feel like telling the truth about a thing, looking for a new start, a fresh start. There's somebody here, one of you, Chariot energy. It's sort of like my way or the highway. Literally, that's a chariot. Okay, so my way or the highway. Not really interested in compromise at all. And King of Swords is not very warm and fuzzy. We know that, right? But there's some sort of balance that's being made here. Temperance energy, Sag energy. Balance needs to be restored for love to exist. Okay, Nine of Wands, Knight of Swords. There's some harsh words here. I'm gonna just put it out there. It's about baggage that needs to be cleared. So the card in the center here is the Page of Cups. New energy can come in. So fresh energy can come in. There is somebody super angry and not really listening. My way or the highway. But there is truth being told here, okay? There's Page of Cups, Page of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, Ace of Swords. All the elements in a fresh, new kind of way. Outcome here, Knight of Swords here. I don't know if you can hear my cat snoring. Delilah snoring. Knight of Swords and the King of Swords, right? Two of Wands, trying to decide how to get together. Justice, I saw this before when it fell. The right thing, trying to decide what the right thing is. Trying to bring things together here. Yes. Restoring a balance. You're trying to restore a balance here. Because look at this. The masculine and the feminine trying to restore balance. Each one is trying to restore balance. Temperance energy. Very much trying to figure out the restoration of balance in love. Chariot, trying to restore the balance in terms of how are we going to go forward? How do we move forward together if the two horses are going different directions? It doesn't work that way. Somebody is not listening. Somebody does not want to listen to compromise. And that King of Swords is super clear about what they want to do. But I like the fact, and Justice is here again, super clear, cutting through. This is air energy. This is you guys all over. Libra energy, Aquarian energy. But it's about love, okay? And so it can't always be so cut and dry when it's about love. Because there needs to be inspiration. There needs to be passion, right? There needs to be cups. There needs to be all these things. And we can't, it's sort of like, you can't put love in a balance sheet. It doesn't work like that. This, I'm sure you've heard this before about people saying, love is really not a 50-50 situation. Sometimes I'm giving 80 and you're giving 20. Sometimes you're giving 80 and I'm giving 20. Sometimes it's 90-10, right? Sometimes it's 60-40. But it's hardly ever 50-50. And I feel like the air energy in you, the Justice, the Libra energy here in you needs some kind of balance, right? 6 of Pentacles here, give and take. There needs to be some kind of balance. But right now, one of you is saying, in order to balance this situation, you need to give a lot more than me. Okay? We have been working under the premise that this is a you and me situation. We're equally giving, but something is occurring. Something new now needs to be rebalanced. Because I, air sign, am becoming aware that you might not be giving as much as I am in this way, right? I'm giving more in this way. You're giving more in this way. How do we balance this and create something, a new start, a fresh start in love, right? About love. That's not so much scorekeeping. I don't want to keep score. All I know is all of a sudden we found ourselves in this place and I'm like, oh my God, I'm giving you way more than you're giving me. Not going to happen anymore. King of Swords, Knight of Swords, screw that. Yes, I still love you. Yes, I still want to be with you. Yes, 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 yes. But the fresh start needs to be different than what we've been doing. We're not doing this anymore. The fresh start, Sagittarian energy, Empress energy here, loving energy, Justice, balance, Libra, you get it. What was happening before is no longer in balance. So now things need to change. And if all of a sudden I feel like, oh, wait a second, I've been giving way too much to this, now you got to give more. And then you can make a decision to move forward. It can clear the issues here. Yeah. All right, air sign. Let's talk to the other person. Let's get the soul communication going with their higher self. What is it that how they see this situation? What are they willing to do? How is this going to unfold? Let's look at any blocks that need to be overcome. Okay? So there's a link below, September 6th for air sign. All right? See you on the other side.